Town centres are about lots and lots of different things. They're places where businesses thrive, they're places where people can come and have new experiences, and they're places where events happen, and this is the heart of the community in Chippenham. We see people from all walks of life come into the town centre, and what we do when we run events is we bring those people together to really enjoy everything that Chippenham has to offer.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Christmas? Ha! I don't think so. Not on my watch.
Merry Christmas.
Britain's Got Talent Golden Buzzer Star, Lifford Shillingford!
Free events that Chippenham have put on. It's brilliant for the kids, they love it, and yeah, we're very excited to get our face painted and see the carriage and the snow globe, and it's brilliant that they put it all on for free.
I find Chippenham really good with the events, like from doing the go-karts downtown from the Mad Hatter Easter weekend to this. It's really nice.
Everywhere I went today, there were queues of people, lots of really happy, smiley faces. Everything was really busy, the town was really full. It was everything you would want in a thriving market town.